Hello, welcome once again to the 11th video of the second part, which is the intermediate level of my advanced Excel tutorial. On this video, we are going to look at how to nest the if function with the and or or function. Now we use the if or and function if we want to test more than one logical condition. The if function alone evaluates only one logical test. But if you want to test more than one logical conditions, you need to use the if function with the and or or function. Now let's look at the or function. The or function will give you true if at least one condition is true. For example, if I say or 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, which is wrong. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, which is wrong, which is correct. 3 times 5 is equals to 15, but I wrote 16 here. Now, the or function will tell you that it is true if at least one condition is true. But if I use the and function will tell you that it is false. For the and function to give you to evaluate to true, that is all the conditions must be true. That means this one here must be 4 and this one must be 15 before the and function will tell you that it is true. So now let's see this. Let's say pass all students who were absent not more than twice and have average score above 50. That is, you are testing more than one logical test conditions. That is, not absence not more than twice and have average score above 50. Now let's use the and function and see the or function. Now if you use the or function, you have to nest it with the if function. You say if, then you use the or function. The or function will give you the option to allow the if function to have more than one logical test. So I say if what you have here is greater than 50, another logical test, and what you have here not more than absence not more than twice is let's say less than or equal to 2. These are the two logical tests. So this or function helps you to evaluate more than one logical test within the if function. Then value if true, I would say pass. Value if false, I will say fail. Okay. Now you can see that the or function, at least one condition must be true. It will pass every other person because at least one condition is true. This one is less than 50, did not pass, but has absence less than 2. But if I use the and function here, both conditions must be true. You can see that the and function passes only the student that satisfies the two conditions. Now this one actually has a good pass, but the absence is more than twice, more than 2, so both conditions are not met. That is why the remark was failed. So let's take a look at this one. Promote personnel with sales performance from 3 million and lateness not more than twice. So I'm going to use the and function because both conditions must be satisfied. I will nest it with the if function. I say if and what we have here, that is from 3 million plus, is greater or equals to 3 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the second logical test is that this one here, not more than 2, must be less than or equals to 2. Then value if true, I will say promotes. Otherwise, repeat. You can see that this one has sales more than 3 million, but this condition is not met. So this one met the two conditions, This one met only one condition. So you can see how to nest the AND function within the if function. So we have come to the end of this video. On our next video, I'm going to show you how to use the if error logical function. Thank you very much for listening.